So hello guys, so the topic today is about the adding and subtracting radicals. So this topic is under to the algebra subject. So ganito yan guys, halimbawa meron tayong nakitang a square root of b plus a square root of b. Yan, halimbawa yan. So same sila ng base, same sila. So yung a natin pag-add natin, so a plus a, let's say na yung a natin is with the value of 2 and 3. So 5a, 2 plus 3 is 5. 3a plus 2a is 5a square root of b. So ito na yung sagot nun guys. Gets? Ganun din sa subtraction. Minus lang yun dito. Gets? So proceed tayo sa first problem natin dito. So let's go guys. So pasensya na sa maingay na background pero let's go. So, the first problem is the 2 square root of 6 plus the 3 square root of 6. So, kung makikita nyo sila, same sila na radicand, which is the square root of 6. So, yung nasa labas nila, pwede natin sila pag-add, the 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 square root of 6 is equals to 5 square root of 6. So, ganun lang siya guys. Gets? Next, sa subtraction naman tayo, the 7 square root of 3 minus the 2 square root of 3. So, the same sila na nasa loob ng radicand, which is the 3. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 is square root of 3 and equals to 5 square root of 3. So, ito na yung answer guys. Gets? So, adding and subtracting tayo. Gets? So, the next problem is the 2 square root of 4x squared and minus the square root of 8x raised to 4. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, subtraction siya. So, ganito yung gagawin natin yan. 2. What is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is what? 2. And square root of an x squared is x squared. So, maka-cancel niyan to. Yung matitira is x. Gets? Minus square root of 8. What is the square root of 8? Which is 4 and 2. So, dito natin lagay guys. So, square root of 8 is equals to 4 and 2. So, the square root of 4 is what? 2 and square root of 2 will remain, so 2 pa rin. Then yung x4 natin, square root of x4 is what? 2 x squared. Gets guys? O game. So x squared nyan to. So next is what? Pag times nyo yan is 4x, diba? 4x and minus 2x squared square root of 2. Gets guys? So bali, eto na yun yung sagot natin, which is the 4x minus the 2x squared square root of 2. So, eto yan guys. Eto na yung answer natin. Gets? Next, the 18 square root of x cubed plus the 2 square root of x cubed. So, first, square root of an x cubed. So, adding to guys. Square root of 18 is 18 is equals to, isip ka ng dalawang number na pag pinag-times mo, which is 18, and dapat yung isa sa kanila is perfect square. So, 9 and 2, perfect square to. So, the answer is 3 square root of 2. Yung square root ng 18 guys ha. So, bali, 3 square root of 2. Then, square root of an x cube is what? X squared square root of x, di ba? Kasi yung isa sa kanila is x1 square root of an x cube is equals to x square root of x. Gets guys? So plus, so dito nyan siya guys, x, yung isang x, ito yun, then yung isang nasa loob na radical kasama ng 2. Gets? So next is plus the 2 square root of an 8 is equals to 4 and 2. Isip ka ng dalawang number na pag pinag-times mo is 8. Dapat yung isa sa kanila is may square root. So, yun yung 4. Square root of 4 is what? 2. And square root of 2 is will remain. Nasa loob pa rin siya ng radical. Gets? Then, square root of an x cube is equals to x square root of x. Diba? So, x square root of x. Gets? Yung x na to, eto yun. Then yung x na nasa labas, eto yun. Gets? So next is 3x square root of 2x plus, pag times nyo to, bali, 2 times 2, 4 times x square root of 2x. Gets? kung mapapansin nyo, same na sila ng base, which is the 2x, yung radicand nila. So, ibig sabihin, ang 3x plus 4x square root of 2x. So, pag-add nyo lang to, 4 plus 3 is what? 7x. And copy the square root of 2x. So, ito na yung answer, guys. Gets? So, the next problem is the square root of 3 minus the square root of 48 plus the square root of 12. Kung mapapansin nyo, pinagsama na yung subtraction and addition. Gets? So, next natin, find, di siya pwedeng pag-add lahat ng ganyan na guys, yung 48 plus 12 plus 3, tas yun yung magiging square niya. Hindi yun ganun guys, dapat same muna sila lahat ng base. Gets? So, the square root of 3 is equals to square root of 3 minus the square root of 48 is what? 16 and 3 plus the square root of 12 is 4 and 3. To get the square root guys is isip ka ng dalawa na number na pinag times mo is sagot is 12. Dapat yung isa sa kanila is may square root. So halimbawa ito, yung square root nito is what? 2. Square root of 3 is 3. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung isa sa kanilang dalawa is meron siyang square root which is the 2. Gets? So yun yung 2 square root of 3. Gets? So next, copy the square root of 3 minus square root of 16 is what? 4. Square root of 3, copy. Nasa labas na yung may square root no na guys. Plus the 2 square root of 3. Gets? Square root of 4, 2. Square root of 16, 4. Gets? Square root of 3 will remain square root of 3. Ganun din dito. Gets? Kung mapapansin nyo, same na yung radicand nila sa loob. Gets? So, next is pag-add na natin. May invisible na 1 dito. So, 1 minus 4 plus 2 square root of 3, which is 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 2. 1 minus 4, negative 3. Negative 3 plus 2 is equals to negative 1. So, bali, yung sagot niyan is what? Negative 1 square root of 3 or negative square root of 3. So, ito yun guys. Gets? Bakit negative square root of 3 lang? Kasi may invisible 1 na yan dyan. Kahit wala na siyang 1 na lagyan. Pwede rin naman to. Depende sa trip mo. Pero goods na rin to. Gets? The next problem is the cube root of 16 and the cube root of 2. So, ganito yan guys. So, makita nyo addition and subtraction. Gets? So, kaso nga lang naka-cube root. Gets? So, the cube root of 16 is what? Cube root of 16 is 8 and 2. 8 and 2. Isip ka na number na pag pinag-times mo is 16. Dapat isa sa kanila is may cube root. Cube root of 8 is 2. Gets? So, next is cube root of 16 is 8 and 2 plus the cube root of 2 is copy minus the cube root of 128 is what? 64 and 2. Gets? So, the cube root of an 8 is 2 and cube root of 2 will remain plus the cube root of 2. Dito yan guys. Gets? Then minus the cube root of 64 is what? 4. Then the cube root of 2 is copy. Gets? So, may invisible 1 yan dito. So, bali 2. Ito yung 2. Plus 1. Minus 4. Minus 4. Then, copy the radicand. Same na sila na radicand, oh. Same, which is the square root of, the cube root of 2. Then, the cube root of 2. Is equals to 2 plus 1 minus 4 is negative 1 cube root of 2. So, the negative, tanggalin na natin yung negative 1. So, bali sagot niyan is what? Negative cube root of 2. So, ito yung sagot guys. Gets? Problem is the cube root of 21 plus the cube root of 256 plus cube root of 324 ay 2 and 4 minus the cube root of 108. So, bali ganyan guys. Cube root of 81 is what? 27 and 3 plus the cube root of 256 is what? 64 and 4 minus the cube root of 24 is 8 times 3 minus the cube root of 108 is 27, 4. Paano nakuha yung cube root na yan guys? So, halimbawa ganito, cube root of 81 is, isip ka ng dalawang number na pag pinag-times mo is 81. Dapat yung isa sa kanila is mayroon siyang cube root. Eto, yung 27 mayroon siyang cube root. Cube root of 27 is what? 3. So, yung cube root ng 81 is, bali, cube root of 27 multiply to 3. And cube root of 27 is 3. And cube root of 3, copy. So, ganun siya nakuha guys. Gets, ganito rin dito, dito, and dito. Gets, gets. So, next natin gagawin is cube root of 27 and 3. The cube root of 27 is 3. Copy the cube root of 3. Plus, the cube root of 64 is 4. Copy the cube root of 4. And the cube root of 8 is what? Minus, cube root of 8 is 2. And cube root of 3, copy, minus the cube root of 27 is what? 3. And cube root of 4. Gets? So, next is, kung makikita nyo, magkakasame ng radicand yung iba. Same to na radicand, pati ito. So, guhitan natin yung same. Same sila, same. So, sa kulay red muna tayo. So, the cube root of, so, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, and cube root of 3 is equals to what? 1 cube root of 3. Gets? Next naman, dito naman tayo sa color green. 4 minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 and cube root of 4 is equals to what? 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1 cube root of 4. So, yan yung sagot guys. Gets? So, bali, eto yung sagot. Or, cube root of 3 plus the cube root of 4. Tinanggal ko lang yung 1. Ganun din siya guys. Gets? So, the next problem is the square root of 18 and the cube root of 128 and then the square root of 8 minus the cube root of 54. Yung iba naka-square root, naka-cube root, square root, cube root. Gets? So, ganito yan guys. The square root of an 18 is what? 9 and 2 plus the cube root of 128 is what? 64 and 2 and plus the cube root of 8 is 4 and cube root of 8 is meron siyang cube root square root of 8 is 4 and 2 minus the cube root of 54 is 27 and 2. Gets? So the square root of 9 and 2 is 3 and 2 plus the cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 2 plus the square root of 4, 2 and copy the 2 minus the cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 2, copy cube root. Gets? So, pagka-add yung magkakasame, same gets? So, next is the 3 plus 2 square root of 2 is equals to 5 square root of 2 and the 4 minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 is cube root of 2 is what? Plus 1 then the cube root of 2. So, eto na yung sagot guys. Etong 5 square root of 2 plus 1 the cube root of 2. Gets? So, yun lang guys. That's all. Thank you for watching and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.